What's up, everybody? Brian here with Attention to Details in Chesterton. Kenny behind the camera. We finally got it in. This is the 2023 Mazda MX-5 RF. Beautiful color. I think they call it the Chrisman red. Reminds me of kind of like the old school candy apple red, but absolutely stunning color. We're doing a full wrap in Ultimate Plus Fusion with the built-in ceramic coating, 10-year warranty. So we'll keep you posted on this as we get the work starting. I believe the guys are going to start on this on Sunday because we got so many things we're slammed right now, which is awesome. But this vehicle here is going to come out absolutely stunning, and we'll keep you posted on this. Beautiful example of some good quality. I just love the car. Then we've got over here is a 2022 Sierra GMC 1500 that Cody is in the process of wrapping. The client wanted a full partial frontal on this. So that's the bikini hood, which Cody's got laid, all edges wrapped, headlights, some grille area parts, front bumper, quarter fenders, and the mirrors. They'll have this tacked out. Cody's over here right now getting this set up and in place. A little bit of, not difficult, but a little bit difficult with getting everything to line up in your stretch. And that's what he's doing over here. Then we come over here to this side, we have Jay, Magic Hand Jay. This is the 2022 GMC Denali with the Duramax diesel in it, 1500. Pretty impressive. Really nice truck. Full wrap in the Expel Ultimate Plus Fusion. Jay got this whole side done pretty much yesterday. Now the whole bed, we debadged everything. It's one of the perks that we do here, all debadging, wrapped edges where we can. And now Jay is going in and laying the back bumper. And then he'll be moving himself to this side. I believe he also this morning got this bedside on. We got Jose down here on the ground doing his thing. He's getting the doors done, wrapping all the edges. Those are completed. He got done this morning, and now he's doing the rockers, and then it's going to come up to the full A-pillar line. And then this will be a rim off, ceramic coating rims, the barrels too, yes, not just the face like most people do. So he's finishing off with that here. And then we have outside, I believe, Kenny, you got some B-roll on that. So we have a 2022 Ram TRX. Phenomenal truck, come from LaPorte Chrysler Dodge Jeep, Magnuson Performance. This vehicle is, I'm falling in love with it every day. I've always been a truck guy, but this thing is very, very aggressive looking. We're doing a full frontal with Ultimate Plus Fusion on it, and we're doing the bed sides, and then the rest of the vehicle painted surfaces, we're going to be doing an ammo 2-year pro coating on it to protect it. Then we have one thing Kenny wants me to tell you, the importance of getting your vehicles in when you buy them brand new to getting some protection on them, and the ultimate would be the paint protection film. This car here's got 8 miles on it. The Sierra here, the blue GMC, it has less than 800, and the Duramax is right around 800, 900 miles. Some of those miles were from the dealer when they bought them, but paint is getting thinner. The quality control on all manufacturers' brands, in my opinion, is getting horrible, and nobody's talking about it a lot. Well, some people are, but not enough to get enough education out there to the consumer that are buying these vehicles. Super thin paint. There is vehicles that we can't even polish. Brand new, we cannot polish because they're under 3 mil of the paint, and then with the clear coat on top of it. So what that means is it's that thin. We have digital gauges over here. I've showed them before in our past videos, but this measures the thickness of paint. And we can go through, and that lets us know where it's safe to go after defects, safe to polish, do a paint correction, be it step 1 through 3. And some of these vehicles you can't even do you could get away with a very light, mild polish, but that is it. You will burn through the clear coat. So you've got to get them protected. Ceramic coatings is a entry level, in my opinion, for true protection. The only way to get true protection is wrapping it with the Expel paint protection film. No more rock chips, no more dings. It eliminates all that unless something massive is hitting you. But it's going to seal in, protect your paint, and give you a much better outcome. Ceramic coatings are great. They add incredible shine to your vehicle. They stay cleaner longer. They're super hydrophobic, but we now have this in the film. And it's also self-healing. And some of our past videos that Kenny has done, we show that as well. So that is what we got going on here today. We also have a few more vehicles coming in. The Bronco Raptor was supposed to be here next Tuesday. Client called me out last night. He does work for Ford. They're in the production line. It's ready. They just haven't released it yet. So we might be set back a week or two on that. But when it comes in, we'll be filming that because it's a pretty cool vehicle. And that's going to be a full wrap as well. We have another Tesla coming in, Model X for a full wrap. We have the new Nissan, I think it's the IS 500 they call it. We're doing a full wrap on in stealth. We have multiple vehicles. We're swamped out. The guys are actually working almost 7 days a week now to get this done and keeping up with our other things. So if you guys need anything at all, want to be educated, it doesn't matter where you're taking your vehicle, give us a call. We'll direct you in the right direction and show you. And we always have something going on here. We invite potential clients, existing clients, everybody to come down and see what we do here. You can see it before you make an attempt to say, hey, I want paint protection film, but you do not know about it. We'll walk you through the whole process, show you our room, how everything works, how we get our patterns, why we're different from everybody else by debadging all vehicles with no upcharge, wrapping all edges that's possibly can be wrapped without taking things apart, but we also do that as well. So we'll walk you through, you can see the work, we can tell you, show you the differences, we can show you true ceramic coatings, not the stuff where people are ceramic coating, if they're putting it on your vehicle, even if it comes, because now they're starting to come in the bottle because they know that it's being out there, that if it's a spray bottle, it's temporary, it's not gonna last long. Ceramic coatings do not come in a spray bottle, period. I will argue that fact with anybody. Are you getting some protection? Yes, but nowhere near as much as a real true ceramic. Ceramics do not stop rock chips. Some of the higher end ceramics that we carry here does help with light scratching and swirl marks, but eventually it's going to come. It's not bulletproof. We do not charge for our warranties here, when I say warranties, for maintenance washes. So you know when you hear it spread all over the internet, locally here, all over North America, you get your ceramic coatings, they got them for $5.99. In my opinion, that stuff is crap, it doesn't long, but how they get you is every 6 months, it's $175 up to $250 I've seen advertised for maintenance wash to keep their warranty. And all they're doing 9 times out of 10 is washing your vehicle and then respraying the chemical back on it to get it hydrophobic. Then there's claims that it's going to, you don't have to polish or it's going to cover up swirl marks and nicks. You can have that done. There's polishes out there that's got fillers in it, silicones and stuff that will lightly go over and fill in small imperfections, but within 2 to 3 washes, it's off. I've had customers and clients that come here and like, I had it done 6 months ago and paid whatever the price was, but it looks the same now after these washes because it is now being pulled out from those small micro scratches and swirl marks, and you're left with the same thing again. We will educate you on how to make that not happening anymore. So come down and see us here at Chesterton, Indiana, 419 Council Drive, 219-628-0288. For now, guys, love and happiness. Peace.